bulbs compatible with 2014 to 2020 are a top-notch choice for those seeking optimal lighting performance for their vehicles. Designed specifically for use with Dodge Durango and Toyota RAV4 models from 2013 to 2015, these bulbs deliver exceptional brightness levels of 36000 lumens. Crafted by Koipizep, a reputable brand known for quality automotive products, these bulbs come in a set that includes 9005 high beams, 2 bulbs, 9005 low beams, 2 bulbs, and H11 fog lights, 2 bulbs. The compatibility with specific car models ensures a perfect fit and performance. One of the key highlights of these bulbs is their extended operating life of 50000 hours, providing long-lasting illumination without frequent replacements. The 32 volts DC voltage requirement is well suited for efficient energy usage in the vehicle. Installation is a breeze with these headlight bulbs, thanks to their plug-and-play design that eliminates the need for any additional adapters or
24 upgraded H11/H8/ by Auto Pro Detroit is a cutting-edge automotive lighting solution designed to enhance visibility and safety on the road. With a wattage of 80 watts, this product delivers powerful illumination to ensure a clear line of sight in various driving conditions. The item package includes 1 unit of the H11/H9/H8 model, which boasts a nominal item weight of 7.8 ounces. The compact dimensions of 7.09 inches, 4.69 inches, 1.93 inches make it easy to install in your vehicle without taking up excessive space. Additionally, the polished exterior adds a sleek and modern touch to your car's overall aesthetic. Auto Pro Detroit, a reputable manufacturer known for quality automotive parts, is behind this innovative lighting solution. The H11/H9/H8 model is specifically designed for the right auto part position, ensuring a seamless fit and reliable performance. Whether you're driving in low-light conditions or challenging weather, the 2024 upgraded H11/H8/ is a dependable choice.
Explorer 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, Combo 9005 LED headlight is a top-notch lighting upgrade for your vehicle. Manufactured by IHNZCB, a trusted brand in the industry, this model, designated as 9005 Headlight plus H11 Fog Light, offers a blend of reliability and performance. Weighing just 9.9 ounces, the dimensions of 7.32 inches, 5.04, 2.05 inches make it a compact yet powerful choice. The item model number 9005 plus H11 and the manufacturer part number INZB 9005 plus H11 ensure easy identification and compatibility. With an exterior finish in chrome, this headlight and fog light combo is designed for the front position of your vehicle. The utilization of light-emitting diode, LED, technology ensures a bright and energy-efficient lighting solution. Operating at 12 volts with a power output of 120 watts, this product guarantees enhanced visibility and safety during driving. Upgrade your Ford Explorer with this efficient lighting setup and experience the road like never before.
/HB3H11 light bulbs combo by Deviz UCR offer a high-quality halogen replacement option that brings exceptional brightness to your vehicle's lighting system. With a luminous output of 24000 lumens and a wattage of 100 watts, these bulbs ensure superior visibility on the road. Specifically designed for 9005 H11 applications, these bulbs are versatile and compatible with a range of vehicles. The 6000 K color temperature provides a crisp and clear white light that enhances visibility in various driving conditions. Manufactured by Liting, a trusted name in the industry, these bulbs boast a long operating life of up to 50000 hours, ensuring durability and reliability. The polished exterior adds a touch of elegance to your vehicle's lighting system, enhancing both style and performance. With an item weight of 8.4 ounces and compact dimensions of 4.76 inches, 4.72 inches, 4.25 inches, the 9005/HB3H11 light bulbs combo is easy to install and fits. And
Jeep Grand Cherokee 2019 to 2021 offers a reliable lighting solution for your vehicle. Manufactured by Huakeds, this product is designed specifically for headlight use, delivering a sleek and polished exterior in silver color that complements the front auto part position of your Jeep Grand Cherokee perfectly. With technical details such as operating at 12 volts and boasting an impressive operating life of 300,000 hours, the Huaked's Huo 043 model ensures long-term performance and durability. The item weighs 1.57 pounds and comes in a compact package with dimensions of 7.87 inches, 6.1 inches, 5 inches for easy installation. Whether you're looking to enhance visibility on the road or add a touch of style to your vehicle, the Ford Jeep Grand Cherokee 2019 to 2021 by Huakeds is a quality choice that combines functionality with a polished exterior finish.
Ford Fusion LED bulbs by WVKV TO are a remarkable choice for enhancing the lighting performance of your Ford Fusion model from 2006 to 2018. With a powerful brightness of 36000 lumens, these bulbs guarantee improved visibility on the road, creating a safer driving experience for you and other road users. The item comes in a universal fit, ensuring compatibility with your vehicle, and the easy installation process takes just 5 minutes, making it hassle-free. Designed to last, these LED bulbs have an impressive operating life of 500,000 hours, providing long-term durability and reliability. The efficient cooling design prevents overheating issues, while the one-beam design ensures optimal light distribution without any dark spots, offering consistent and clear lighting output. Additionally, the bulbs are CAN bus ready, eliminating error messages or flickering, further enhancing their performance. The exterior features a polished finish,